Carrots are root vegetables that were first grown in Afghanistan around 900 AD. Orange may be their best known color, but they also come in other hues, including purple, yellow, red, and white. Early carrots were purple or yellow. Orange carrots were developed in Central Europe around the 15th or 16th century. This popular and versatile veggie may taste slightly different depending on the color, size, and where it's grown. The sugar in carrot gives them a slightly sweet flavor, but they can also taste earthy or bitter. Carrot nutrition. One serving of carrots is a half cup. One serving has 25 calories, 6 gram of carbohydrates, 2 gram of fiber, 3 gram of sugar, zero point 0.5 grams of protein. 73% of your daily requirement of vitamin A, 9% of your daily vitamin K, 8% of your daily potassium and fiber, 5% of your daily vitamin C, 2% of your daily calcium and iron. They are good for your eyes. This is probably the best known carrot superpower. They are rich in beta carotene, a compound your body changes in vitamin A, which helps keep your eyes healthy, and beta carotene helps protect your eyes. They can lower your risk of cancer. Antioxidants have been proven to fight off harmful free radicals in your body, and they can make you less likely to have cancer. They help your heart. First, all those antioxidants are also good for your health. Second, and potassium in carrot can help keep your blood pressure in check. And third, they have fiber which can help you stay a healthy weight and lower your chances of heart disease. They boost your immune system. The vitamin C in carrot helps your body build antibodies that defeat your immune system. Vitamin C also helps your body take in and use iron and prevent infections. They can help with constipation. If you are having trouble going to the bathroom, try munching on some raw carrots. With their help fiber content, they can help easy constipation and keep you regular.